Hello, I'm Ashley, the engineer at Andover Norton. One of the technical questions we get asked quite often is, do you sell the individual parts to make up a fuel hose? Yes, we do. We have all the whole parts, and we even have the crimp tool as well, various connectors, the olives, the olive nuts, and stainless steel ferrules which go in the crimper. We'll get a close-up photograph of all these. Now we also sell the actual clear PVC tube by the meter. You might be surprised that we've actually got this is just one roll. We've got a lot more of this on the shelf. Now, a lot of people like this because of the originality. I'm not necessarily a fan of it because it does go brittle in the sunshine and go hard. I tend to use rubber hose. Now, you can either use this or you can use rubber hose, but if you use rubber hose, make sure that it is ethanol proof down to at least 10% or 20% ethanol, which most of it is these days. Surprisingly, there's a lot of fuel hose out there that you can buy, but it's for diesel fuel or other types of fuel, not fuel with ethanol in it. Make sure it's ethanol proof. Now, some of these bits here, we have like the Banjos. Some of it is as cast finish on the actual surfaces which take up onto the gasket. If you've got a flat surface and a bit of wet and dry, you can dress that to make sure that's perfectly smooth. Likewise the bottom one as well, where the actual banjo bolt goes through, secures it into the carburetor. Always worth doing. Now, we have actually had people that have done these up so tight they've actually broken them. Now, I don't know how they've managed to do that. Realistically, when you're doing these up, because it's got a conical seating, it doesn't take much more than just finger pressure to lock that off in place. Just bring it up, put a spanner on it, hold the tap steady in the tank and just nip it up, and that'll be enough to hold that up. Never known them to come undone. I don't think anyone else in the Norton world has ever known them to come undone, but like you say, be careful doing them up. You don't need arms like Arnold Schwarzenegger to do those nipples up. We also do double banjo, same again for that one. It's probably got a bit of casting, originally cast in the flash around the top. Dress it off if you want to. We'll get individual photographs, and if anyone's got any questions, please feel free to get in touch with myself or Simon at Andover Norton, where we will answer any queries you may have. Thank you very much.